Thank you for considering Timberwolf Log Splitters, the pro's choice in log splitters, firewood processors, and firewood conveyors. Timberwolf proudly makes all of our machines right here in the U.S. They're hand-welded and finished to the highest standards. People who buy Timberwolf get the very best firewood processing equipment made today. Take your splitter to the wood with the Timberwolf TW3 SSR. We thought it was time to marry the great success of our PTO-driven TW3HD and our TWS3HD skid steer log splitter into one versatile unit. It's an exclusive patent-pending first, a dual-action skid steer splitter. Use it in the upright horizontal position and crank out the firewood. Or flip it over and split wood right where it is without getting out of the cab. Yes, Timberwolf does it again with this exclusive dual-purpose skid steer log splitter. Take it anywhere your skid steer will go and easily switch it from normal position to inverted position in just a few minutes. Powered by any low-flow skid steer hydraulic system, the TW3 SSR features a very strong 5-inch frame and a 4-inch cylinder that will help you power through your log pile. The TW3 SSR makes short work of firewood production, especially in the upright mode when you use our optional 4-way wedge and table grate. Remove the 4-way and table grate, flip it over, and you can grab those chunks on the ground and split them with ease right from the driver's seat. If you're a skid steer owner, you want to make the most of your equipment. With the Timberwolf TW3 SSR, you'll get 2 log splitters for the price of 1, and a rugged and dependable machine that will last a lifetime. If you would like more information about any of our other log splitters, and an expert review of which machine would be best for you, please visit our Choosing the Right Machine page on our website. Thousands of happy customers start right there. Call us today for pricing and a dealer near you.